Hey guys, I'm Dr. John Palmer with Friends and Family Health Centers. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you a few tools that I love personally as a triathlete, as a just athlete period, and then someone who just loves fitness. Mobilization is huge in keeping me going and making sure that I don't injure myself and can keep going at a high rate without injury. And then also recovery is extremely important. So I use two tools. One is the Kabuki pain pill, which I have here, and then the Kabuki boomstick. So the boomstick and the pain pill are weighted instruments. So I'm gonna go over just something really basic. It's your quad muscle. Typically people are quad dominant. You can use this guy for really anything. I'm gonna go over this just because it'd be very simple for you to just get an understanding of what I'm doing. And so all that I'm doing is taking this pain pill. It's 44 pounds. It's a weighted instrument. And so all I'm doing is rolling through, and I find a really tender spot right there. And so you can do a few things. You can get it and you can roll it, or you can get it and you can hold it, move the leg around. And all I'm doing is getting that muscle tissue and that fascia and beginning to get it to move a little bit better. And so that's all that you do. You pass over it a handful of times. If I have something that is really, really gnarly, as I want to make sure that I pay attention to it, I will go, personally, I will go and I'll hold it. And then you just move your leg. You move that tissue around as if you would move it in anything that you would do during the day or during your life. So I move it again. And so it's very tender there still. And so another thing that you can do is get it here. And then what you can do is make sure you stabilize it, because it being 44 pounds, you don't want that to go anywhere. What you do is get that attachment of that muscle, and right now I have it. And all I'm gonna do is extend my leg and bend it. And so you can see it's very simple. And the reason I like this is because owning a healthcare clinic and having the ability to have therapists work on me on a regular basis is awesome. But I can get through 80% of the work that they need to work on myself. And so when they work on me, I can have them really focus in on the things I can't get myself personally. This thing is awesome. If I was trapped on an island and had two tools that I could have with me, it would be this, and it would be its little brother, which is 22 pounds, I believe. So I'm going to show you guys that in a different video. So hopefully you learned something. These things can be a little bit intimidating, but truly they are life-changing once you start using them on a regular basis. You can do pretty much anything on the body. Just once again, super heavy. The first time I started using it, a little intimidated that I was gonna like drop it on my face or drop it on my body, but it takes respect. So really good tools to actually use for self-body care. All right, thanks guys.